Average salespeople wait until the company provides sales training. The most competitive and successful salespeople are training themselves every single day. There are so many self-training programs available online these days that is fascinating. One of the best habits I had when I was traveling all 6 of my states in the sales territory back in the 90s was listening to people like Zig Ziglar and Brian Tracy and Mary Kay Ash, Nikki McQuistion, people like that who taught me so much about probing, asking questions, listening skills, all these things that made me so much better and effective, where that I could help. I actually brought in and helped my clients bring in $1 billion in sales in a 5-year period. All right. So now let's flash forward. People listening to online training programs, they listen to programs on YouTube and things like that. If you're looking for something these days, again, David Sandler from Sandler Training is fantastic. Colleen Francis is also one of my favorites. I've seen her speak, and she is a dynamo, as well as John Barrows. So John Barrows is right here in Boston. So there are training programs available. In fact, I also have my own, right? Don't wait for sales training to be brought to you. If you want to be one of the best salespeople, one of the most effective salespeople in your territory, at your company, you need to become more competitive and learn on your own. It's really simple. I'll tell you, when I would drive from one appointment to another for an hour, I would simply listen to these speakers, and I'd learn so much as opposed to listen to the radio. So there's an idea for you. You can make the next 6 months wildly successful if you just learn some basic skills to get you from where you are now to where you want to be in the near future.